Welcome back to See My Review. Today, I've got something seriously exciting to unbox for all the sneakerheads out there, the Balenciaga Runner Multicolor. Just look at this box, sleek, sturdy, and already giving off premium vibes. Let's go ahead and open it up. Open the box on camera. Wow. First impressions? These sneakers are bold, futuristic, and absolutely stunning. The multicolor design pops immediately. This is not your average sneaker, this is wearable art. What makes the Balenciaga Runner Multicolor so special is how it combines style, comfort, and innovation. Released on April 7, 2022, this pair takes a daring leap with its unique mix of textures and layered materials. You get that avant-garde aesthetic that Balenciaga is known for, but it's not just about looks. These shoes are built if you're a sneaker enthusiast or a fashion lover on the hunt for high-quality gear without breaking the bank. Let me put you on to highfoot.ru, a top-tier destination that's quickly becoming a favorite in the streetwear community. This site offers an impressive selection of sneakers, from the latest drops to timeless classics, along with a curated range of fashion items that blend style, comfort, and authenticity. Whether you're into Jordans, Yeezys, Dunks, or designer collaborations, highfoot.ru has something that'll match your vibe, and the best part, the prices are surprisingly affordable, making premium style accessible to everyone. What really sets highfoot.ru apart is their commitment to quality and customer satisfaction. Every product is carefully checked for authenticity, so you can shop with confidence knowing you're getting the real deal. They offer secure payment methods, lightning-fast shipping, and a super responsive customer service team that genuinely cares about your experience. I've personally had a smooth, hassle-free experience ordering from them. From checkout to unboxing, everything felt premium. Whether you're copying your next grail or just looking to upgrade your fit, highfoot.ru delivers big on style, trust, and